So today is a rainy day outside, and this is what the dogs do when when it's crappy outside. This is the joy of the truck camper, because all the open space on the bottom now, since we took the bench out, they have a nice wrestling mat here with a plethora of blankets to wrestle in. And Grandma can be upstairs while the boys play. These are good boys.
I'm sure it's clear that Grandma was Lily and not me.
Yeah, Grandma's Lily. Yeah.
You guys are silly. You having fun? Yeah, I'm gonna have to join you anyway. Jump down in there.
Get in there, Mama.
I'll let them have it. Three's a crowd.
Usually Mama likes to lay on the floor, but she has to get out of the way because the dogs are down there wrestling. You gotta get a bird eye view because they're so cute. There's never a down day with dogs, even when it's crappy outside. Big boy, you made the screen go black. Anyways, this is what we do when it's crappy outside. We watch the dogs wrestle inside. Oh, nice, bud.
Good boy.
I wrapped myself up in a blankie. We've actually been trying to teach him that, so...
I forget what we're calling it. Good boy.
It's like an insane asylum in here. We got padded walls everywhere. Then they can bounce around.
Somebody sitting there, okay?
Good dogs.
Good boy, get your blankie. Good boy, he's a good boy, get your blankie. Covered yourself up. He's a good boy, get your blankie.
There you go, bud. Alright, we'll let you guys go, but this is the joy we have on crappy days still. Go get yourself a puppy dog.
Alright, easy, back up.
Good boys.
Oh my gosh. Alright, you're a little too close to me.
Alright, see you guys.